How to use Read AI in Google Meet 2024. So in this video, we're going to be quickly going through Read AI and how you're going to be using this incredible platform in your Google Meet. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you're all signed up with Read AI. And once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to this place. So over here, you're going to come down to apps and integrations. And once you click on that, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and find the Google Meet integration. So usually to use it with your Google Meet, what you can always do is you can connect it with your Google Calendar or you can connect it with your Gmail to truly sync it. But if you want to go ahead and properly use it with your Google Meet, you can come over to their main page where they're going to say works with, and right down here, you're going to see Google Meet. So click on it and it says Read AI is Google first. Direct integration with Google Meet, Gmail, and Calendar to deliver an AI co-pilot. So what you're going to do is right here, you're going to click on Get Started. It's going to bring you straight over to your analytics and report section. And right down here, again, go over to this section. And in your integrations, you're simply going to search for your Google Teams. Now, to make Read AI accessible for your Google Meet, what you're simply going to do is you're going to come here where it says Add to Edge so that you can add a uh, so you can go ahead and add an extension like this one. So once you come here, simply click on Get, go ahead and click on Allow, click on Add Extension, and this will add the Read AI extension to your browsers. Now, once that is done, what you're simply going to do from here is go ahead, go to your meets, and once you do that, all you're going to do is you're going to go over, click on Read AI, and once you've done this, you're going to go ahead, paste your meeting URL over here. And once you have done that, what it's going to do from there is all of your analytics and reportings of Google Meet or all of your chats of Google Meet are going to be compiled in one space. So that is how you're going to use Read AI in Google Meet in 2024. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.